Hello and welcome to my channel. Still on what happened yesterday, the clash between, okay, not really yesterday, we reported it here yesterday. The clash between, it's allegedly ESN. Some are saying it's not ESN, some are saying it's ESN, at which it is said Nigerian Army lost some personnel and returned. So there is still tension in Enugu. And my main reason for doing this video is because innocent people are always caught in the middle. That is always the case. I can remember a particular video where the Nigerian Army personnel were seen with automatic rifles, rapid fire machine guns, shooting recklessly into defenseless buildings. And many of these buildings have innocent people in them, almost all. Because if Nigerian Army had problem with whether they are the pro-Biafra group or whosoever, do you expect personnel of such groups to remain? They will not remain in that area because it is always noted, or they are aware the Nigerian Army will return. So I'm worried. Somebody did a video which I will show us now. In this video, this person is talking about how properties were demolished. Most of these properties are that of the innocent people. The clash was allegedly between Army and ESN. The Army came back. Initially, the Army said, okay, the Army position was that they were attacked. But, positions of some people of the area, based on voice notes that we saw, was that some people invited the Army to attack ESN whatsoever, and the ESN could overpower whatever happened. We don't know. But my worry here is whether they returned or was it immediate, destroying properties of innocent people. And don't be surprised, in the process, people might be killed. So I'm worried. Why should this be happening? I'll play the video for us to see. Let me even play the video before we continue.
Community, and you claim you are fighting ESN. You got engaged in an open fire with them. They shot your men. And on the course of protecting your ego, you started burning houses of innocent people. Who does that? Is that how lawless we are in this country? Is that how lawless we are in this country? The people you are supposed to be protecting started burning their houses. What do you expect them to do after burning their houses? They should be sleeping outside. I'm so very disappointed. How can you be doing this to innocent civilians who you are supposed to be protecting? You claim that yes, and they are terrorists. Yes, you are fighting them. You are trying to infiltrate terrorism. Why not go after them? Why are you burning down houses? Why are you burning down innocent people's houses? What has they got to do with you? You say that those houses are terrorist. For goodness sake, who even believes? Like, you people don't even care the kind of lie you come out to just spill on the internet. You just see anything. You don't care whether people believe you or not. You are infiltrating innocent people's house. How many terrorists hide out in Maiduguri have you busted? Have you burnt down? How many terrorists hide out in Maiduguri and other states have you burnt down? You left those ones and you are coming to show your power in my community in the Southeast. Your Excellency, the governor of Enugu State, I hope you can see this. And I don't know. This is happening right under your nose, and I've not heard anything I've not heard any statement from you. Nigerian military that are just protecting their ego. On the course of protecting their ego, instead of chasing those people that shot them, they started burning down houses, transferring aggression. Why would you be transferring aggression on innocent citizens? I hope the whole world sees this. This is unfair. This is unfair. No problem.
That is the video, as you can see. That is the video. You saw what happened. It is very bad. The guy is calling on the governor of Enugu to act immediately unless he's not aware. At least the governor is supposed to be aware of what is happening in his state. Can you imagine? You saw the buildings that were destroyed, the properties. So the government and people in authority should act, and this must stop. You had him too. The army is supposed to, and the security operatives is supposed to protect people. Even while they carry out whatever, should we call it retaliation attack or maybe, doing their work. Okay, let's say doing their work. I think based on their professionals, they are not rebels. It is rebels that shoot anyhow. I wish I can see that old video I'm talking about. Soldiers opened fire with rapid fire machine guns on buildings. You are not seeing people inside the buildings. Some of these houses looks like mud houses. They opened fire. They were just shooting carelessly. Can you imagine? Now look at this incident again. A lot of innocent people's lives are lost. People even query the army. You are so strong in Southeast. There's a video I did the other time. It's like they are stronger in Southeast. I don't know. They are stronger in Southeast. They do whatever they like there. Now, I remember also what happened in the North. Though this is not Southeast, but it is an Igbo-dominated market in the North. I remember several years ago. Twice. One was with the Army. One was with the Air Force. The first one was with the Army. Someone had problem with them. A single person in the market had problem with them. People around did not interfere. They were just watching. Then the army went and, they had problem with a soldier. The guy had problem with a soldier. The soldier returned with several soldiers with their truck. They started destroying people's markets, shops, vandalizing everything, destroying goods worth millions of naira. They returned. Now you wonder, why not settle what you have with the person rather than attacking a whole market? Looking like an ethnic bias again, as usual. It happened with the Air Force too. The Air Force had problem with one of the, maybe they returned good and the person refused to change, or they know what, but it's between the force man and one person. But when they return, I'm not saying on all locations, but the ones I noticed twice within a year that I was there. In Feringada Market, Jos, Motor Pass Market. They returned and started beating up everybody, arresting people, tying people together, putting them into their trucks. Or is it because it's Igbo? I don't know. Why would they be doing like that? We must act. We must oppose this. It must not continue. The security operatives, I learned, they are supposed to protect people. So why would they be doing like that? Can you imagine? Yes, of course, we are aware. Soldiers face ambushes. They face dangerous, hidden attacks. But then, they're supposed to be professionals. You are not in forest, as in, maybe you are fighting rebels in forests. That you know that these rebels are here, they are in forest. No, these are homes of people. These are not forests, homes of people. You come and just open attack just like that. I saw this video yesterday. I would have, added it to the video I did yesterday. But, I have done the video already. I said I must share this because I felt so bad. And I'm pleading with the people in authority to look into this. Even the governor of Enugu State, this guy has called on the governor. Why must this happen? Please share this video widely as you see it. Viewers, what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. Share it widely. We need answers. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching.